Hi, this is Scott. I record videos like these, reviewing products and other DIY projects. And today I'm going to give you a review of the Ikea Morabo sofas, also known in some countries as the Landskrona, but they're the same. So we actually have three of them, and I don't have any lights turned on in the house, so this is just daylight. So this is a pretty accurate color, hopefully. This is the Gunnar Red, which is the dark gray color. We've got two of the two-seaters, and we've got one of the three-seaters, which is this one. We've had these for about a year and 5 months, something like that. So a year and a half, roughly. And they've held up really well. They look great. As you saw, we've got cats, so they do like to exercise their claws. You'll see there's some damage there that's entirely cat inflicted, but they've held up pretty well. A little bit of marks here. We do get a lot of sunshine, but generally they're good. They're really comfortable. They, in particular, we use this one every day. So this one, the cushions are slightly less comfortable now after a year and a half of use. The two on the side, they get a lot less use, and the cushions are much, well, not much, but they're a little bit more comfy. There's a bit more give in the ones that have been used less. But as you can see, they look great. They're hard wearing. They're easy to clean. I spilled a glass of red wine, quickly mopped it up, and it didn't make any noticeable stain. We chose to get the metal legs, and yeah, they're great. There's no assembly, really. When they arrive, all you need to do is screw on the legs. So nice and easy. They look great. They don't have any buttons. We had a previous sofa like this from West Elm where the buttons came off, so there's really nothing that can easily get damaged. These cushions are held on with Velcro at the back, which is great, actually. It keeps them in place. Some couches, the cushions will slip and move. You don't have this problem. The cushions are symmetrical, so if you want, you can like swap them around from one side to the other. If you want to sort of even out the wear, you can do that. But otherwise, yeah, really pretty low maintenance, and we like them a lot. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. I do review other products and talk about some DIY projects, so feel free to subscribe, and if you find this useful, please like. Thanks for watching.